Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Elaine at Elaine Bellamy. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme today, Purple Hollow. Who's down for that? I've started off with Nail Tech's Formula 2 on my nails, and here is A England, and this is The Most Happy. This is such a stunner. Oh my goodness. I love the brush on this one. The formula is outstanding. This is one of my favorite brands. The hollows just rock me. I mean, oh yeah. Get that first coat on there. I'm going to cap my free edge. And once that's dried down some, I'm going to go in with a second coat of The Most Happy. There it is, stunning. I'm going to top it with I&M out the door. Going to get it to dry down. I've got an insane amount of playing to do today. Before I forget, please go check out the other manicures on Instagram. I'll have a hashtag down below in the description box. And get that glossy top coat all on there and cover that free edge there with some. And there is a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using the CC and Sissy 38 or 18. I can't tell. Maybe we'll get a better look at it here in a minute. These plates are no longer available. This company went out of business, and but use something that you like. Use a plate you have that has similar designs on it if you want to kind of redo this here manicure. So I'm going through here and I'm just plopping on different images from all over this plate with just kind of the circly, bubbly, whatever images. That was my goal today. And I will be honest, I should have just stopped this manicure after the stamping and just left it alone. But I will tell you why I didn't when we get to that. You guys know I always take it way past the stopping point, and this manicure is one of those that I just kept going and kept trying to make it work and make it fix. But I will tell you, this wasn't my favorite manicure, but I ended up wearing it for a solid week. See, you can do it. If I could do it, you could do it. But it's all good. Beautiful stamping plate, beautiful stamping polish. You know, I love this. I loved parts of it, and then didn't like, you know, other parts. So we'll get there. I will share. I will be completely upfront and truthful where I think it went wrong and all that good stuff. But, you know, for me, in my mind, it's just kind of hard to go wrong with a purple hollow manicure. It's joy in a bottle. It's happiness. I love, you guys, if you've been around for a minute, you know I love pinks and purples. I love all the colors, but pinks and purples are the ones I'm drawn to the most. All right, so that one did not turn out good. So since I've got a nice glossy top coat on top, I'm just going in with a piece of tape and using that sticky stuff, trying to pull up some of the excess. I didn't get all of it up, and I could have gone at it with a little bit of nail polish remover, but it just didn't bother. I wasn't too worried about it. It was okay. So now we're going to turn this plate around and find some more images to pull up. It's a really cool plate. Not much twirls and swirls like I'm used to, but it had plenty of other interesting images that I wanted to try. So we're going to try this here again. Roll it, pick it up, and looking pretty good. And I'm going to line this up and try to get as much of it on my nail as I can. There we go. Good job. That looked really good. That transferred great. Yay. Clean that stamping plate with some acetone. Scrubby dub. Scrub it, girl. Alright, so now I've decided I'm going to go ahead and stop tempting fate And I'm going to apply some of the Maniology Sticky Base to this nails that need stamping. That way my stamping transfers, and I'm not having a fight with it. Depending on how dry your base is, you might need to do this step. There we go. Okay, back to the stamping. Here we go. This is a pretty interesting end to the plate where stuff's kind of lined up beside each other. You can pick and choose and use bits and pieces, or you could just do it like a buffet. You know, I need to do that. I need to do a manicure where I just pick up like across a bunch of these images and just get as much of it on a nail as I can. I think that would be really fun. I think this was my favorite stamp out of all the stamps that went on the nails. I like those little circles down the middle. I thought that was really cute. Turn that plate, grab another image with this light purple stamping polish from Maniology. I really do like it. It does really well. So I know how long my nails are, so I know I didn't need all of those circles. So I'm cleaning up some of them, some of the excess, and we're just gonna plop that on the pinky nail. Swirls, circles, I like it. All right, and this one's kind of like a bubble. This is what's on my thumbnail, so I thought I'd use it on another nail that's gonna be in my swatch photo. We're gonna apply that one to the last nail after I get it cleaned up a little bit. All right, here we go. Okay, now everything's perfect at this point. I am really digging it. I'm excited about it. Oh, that's so cute. Cleaning my stamping plate off with some acetone. Getting it ready to get put away for next time. All clean. Ready to play again. Clean off my little stamping mat, my big mat. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up around my nails. And it's coming up really easy. Really nice. Makes work easy. Alright. And now I'm going to use my cleanup brush with some acetone. Very minor cleanup here. This is going to go fairly quick. Go around the edges. Get any little teeny bits that are on the cuticles or sidewalls. Looking pretty good. Get that all cleaned up. There we go. I love this already. Love it. Now to mess it up. I'm going to use some of the I&M Northern Lights. You got to shake it up really well before you use it. And I'm brushing some of that on there. And I'm thinking, oh, it's so pretty, and I smeared it. What is wrong with you, Tina? Okay, so after that, I've decided I'm going to use some gems. Got my gem picker, so I'm going to apply some sticky base to these. And that wasn't the only one I smeared. No, y'all, I kept on going. I smeared like all of them. And instead of picking out gems that fit better and using different sizes, I'm going to be a hardhead, and I'm going to use all the same fairly big little purple gems. I'm going to try to get them to straighten up here on my nail, on the sticky base. And I'm going to apply them everywhere because I've smeared everything. And I was just in denial. I didn't want to have to start over. And I know you've been there. Maybe you have. Maybe if you haven't, hey, good on you. So here we go. And I'm just applying these things willy-nilly. Now, the one I like the best, of course, still, is the ring fingernail. Even with them being bigger stones, it looks good. The rest of them, to me, don't look that good. But the gems are gorgeous. Like, out in the sunshine, they would look like blue or purple, or I mean, they changed. They just really caught the light, and they were so stunning. And that is how I was able to wear this manicure all week, even though it was a train wreck. I had polish on my nails, so my nails were protected. And those bling blings, you guys know I don't do bling bling very much, charms and gems and stuff, but they were just so pretty. And even though the manicure overall was just a hot mess, it it made it doable for me. And I was trying to put them like, in circles or where, where circles would be. But then I just go off the rails and just start slapping them on there everywhere. So take it for somebody that's been doing their nails religiously for a very, very long time, that they don't always turn out like you pictured. They don't turn out perfect. But if you can find a way to love them and wear them, go on. And if you can't, it's just nail polish. Take it off. Put on a base coat, go on about your business. It's just that easy. It's not like dyeing your hair where you're stuck with it until it grows out. Nope. You can just take it off, change it, put on something else. And I love it. But I do hope our friend Elaine Bellamy has a wonderful birthday. And I can't wait to see all the other purple Holo manicures over on the Instagram. You guys will have to go check them out. Tap, 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 making them stick down. Look at that hot mess. I'm going to use the G-Gal. And this is the gem top coat. I save it for gems because it keeps them from looking cloudy or whatever. And it kind of holds them in place a little bit. So I've got that globbed down there pretty well. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Good job. Thank you. And then I'm going to top them really well with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And this will be my last one. This is a really good top coat because it's kind of thick, like Seche Vite or something like that. And it does seep down in between them, but it's holding them on. Let me tell y'all, I didn't lose any of these gems wearing this manicure, which I can't say always happens, but with this one, that Fast and Hard held them things in place, let me tell you. Very nice. Still like the ring fingernail. Still in love with it. Hi, Woody, back again. Yep. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed yourself today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.